GST 103. And the topic for today is the evolution of the Nigerian state, part 2. We've treated the part 1 of it, and we're going to look at the part 2. Now, we are going to look at it in phases. We're going to look at the first republic, the first military regime, the second republic, and then subsequently the second military regime. Now, in the first republic, a major problem facing Nigeria then was regarding what? The aspect of what? Structure. We had what? Structural problem. Now, the northern region of the country was so large compared to other regions of the country. The north alone was more than half of the country, while other regions were smaller. Now, relating to structural problem was also in the aspect of what? Recruitment. In the army, in the civil service, in the government, in political positions, northerners were much. And these did not go down well with the southerners. So what did they do? They revolted. They brought about a revolution. And that was one major factor that led to the fall of the First Republic. Another issue that led to the fall of the First Republic was the aspect of what? The census, the general census of 1964. The 1964 census. The 1964 census was conducted, and there were claims that in the north, they counted both animals, cattle, and everything, which made the northern population more than every other region in the nation. So the southerners did not agree with the result, and that factor led to the first fall of the First Republic. Now, the first military regime. Now, the regimes of General Agoyi Ironsi, General Yakubu Gowon, General Murtala Mohammed, and General Olusegun Obasanjo covers the first military regime. Now, there were a lot of reforms in the first military regime. What were such reforms? We talk of creation of states. It was in 1976. In 1976, states were created in Nigeria first, and that was under the regime of Olusegun Obasanjo. Now, Olusegun Obasanjo also introduced the local government reform in 1978, and also he introduced the Operation Feed the Nation, which was a program meant to eradicate the high level of poverty faced by Nigerians. Now, what were the shortcomings of the second republic, of the first military regime? One of the shortcomings was that of what? The Civil War. The Civil War of the year 1967 to 1970. That was when most Nigerians died in cold blood. In January 15, 1966, some top officials in the army also died. And that was one of the results of the Civil War. The Civil War lasted for 3 years. And what did the Civil War cost the Nigerian economy? It cost what? A total meltdown. So now, the Civil War and also the killing of General Murtala Mohammed in the year 1976 also contributed to the fall of the first military regime. Now, the first military regime also made a remarkable success. And what was that success? They were the first regime to hand over to a democratically elected government, and that democratically elected government took place in the year 1979, when Shehu Shagari was now the head of states, or the president of Nigeria. So now in the second republic now the period of 1979 to 1983 covers what? The second republic. The second republic did not last due to a lot of shortcomings. What are those shortcomings? Those Nigerians at the helm of affairs, those politicians, they looted public funds, and they carried these funds they took it out of the country and established their own empires, built on their own businesses, thereby causing the masses pain within Nigeria. So there was massive looting. And now when there is massive looting from Nigeria, what happens to the economy? The economy it crumbles. And now there was alleged malpractice in the 1983 elections. A lot of electoral malpractices. And now the people did not agree with such a malpractice. So what did they say? They say they are not going to agree with this result. Now, when there was refusal from the people, when there was much revolt from the people, it led to the crumble of the Second Republic, thereby allowing the military to come back to power. And the coming back of the military to power marks the second military regime. Now, who are the principal actors in the second military regime? We talk of General Muhammadu Buhari and General Ibrahim Babangida, popularly known as IBB. When Buhari came into power in December 31st, 1984, he came with an ethical revolutionary program, or a program which to him was to revive the ethics of the nation. That program is called WAI, meaning what? War Against Indiscipline. Now, what did he do? First of all, the first step he took was to change the color of the Nigerian currency, so that those other currency, those other money people have looted out of the country will become a waste. They cannot use it. All those money they've embedded wherever or they've hidden anywhere, they cannot make use of it. He also introduced something like a petroleum trust fund. Now, the tenure of Muhammadu Buhari was short-lived. He was taken away through a coup by who? His successor, IBB, Ibrahim Babangida. That was in 1985. Now, when Ibrahim Babangida came to power, he brought about a lot of economic reforms. What were the major reform and the popularly known reform is tagged SAP, meaning Structural Adjustment Program, SAP, Structural Adjustment Program. And what is the goal of this program? To alleviate Nigerians from the level of poverty to the level of at least you can cater for yourself. He also introduced another program known as DFRRI. DFRRI means the Directorates for Food, Road and Rural Infrastructures. He also introduced the Directorate of Mobilization, popularly known as MAMSER, MAMSER. There were a lot of economic reforms. Now, what is he trying to do? Because Nigeria suffered a setback, which was a civil war in the past, he wants to revive the Nigerian economy. And to him, with such programs in place, he was able to boost the economy back again. So now we successfully looked at the phases of the post-colonial period, which are the First Republic in the year 1963, the first military regime, which started in the year 1967, Second Republic that started in the year 1979, and then the second military regime that started in the year 1983. So in our next lecture, we are going to look at the Third Republic and the Fourth Republic as well. Thank you.